Hello friend and welcome back to Excel in 5 minutes. Today we learn about the average if function. If I want to do the average number by category, like here, I have car, toy and food, and I do this with the regular, like equal, average. And now I take all the car. This the car, and the car, and I close this. After this I do average for the toy, average, and then I choose the toy and the last one, and the food, equal, average, and then I choose my food. Now I can do this with the average if, like here, equal, average. Here I have average if. I open this and I have the range of the category. After this I have my category. Here this is a car, and after this I have average range. So I take all the number that I want will be in the average, and I press on OK button. I can check myself if I press on F2 in my keyboard, and then I see what I mark here. Let's do one more with the toy. Average if. I open this, the range here. I want the toy and the range of my number. After this I press on OK button, and I can take it for the last one. It's the same number. Just I can see here B10. B10 is my food, and I can also write the name food, and I press on OK button. Okay, let's do a summary. I have average if, range, category, and average range. That's it. Please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.